Hi Montessori parents! Today we will give a short tutorial for the Schoolstream app and find out how it actually works. Ready? Let's get started. Make sure you have given the correct email address to our admin for Schoolstream registration. Download the Schoolstream application via Play Store or App Store. Log in with your email account or phone number and click Get Code. Then, enter the code that was sent to your email or SMS. And then click Continue. Tap Add Profile and type Green Montessori School in the search box. This is the first look at our school profile on the Schoolstream application. Tap the three-line icon on the top left and tap Account to change your profile name into your child's nickname. If you have more than one child, please tap all of their nicknames. Next, let's check out the menus. Here are the menus: Home, Search, Calendar, Saved, Account, Messages, Settings, and Help. The first menu is Policies. Tap on the Policies icon to find out GMS rules and regulations. There are finance policies, health procedures, library policies, and school policies. The next menu is Learning. Tap on the Learning icon to find out Gallery, Milestone, Term Overview, Timetable, Learning Activities, and Reports. Each submenu is divided into 4 terms. Next is GMS Info. Tap on the icon to see all school information. This menu is divided into 2 submenus according to the child's program: Elementary and Pre and K. Next is Calendar. Tap on it to see all school events with the date, time, and location. Tap the three-line icon on the top left to access the calendar in the monthly display. Next is Finance. Tap on it to see the financial information. For example, invoice, purchase order, receipt, and reminder. Tap the purchase icon if you want to buy a school uniform, workbook, Cordobana book, reading log, and pickup card, and fill out the form. The following menu is Contact. Tap on it to contact our finance, school admin, and your child's teachers. For a quick update, just tap the latest icon in the bottom left corner to access the latest information. Tap the bubble icon on the top right to see all messages or conversations with teachers and the school's admins. We hope you find this tutorial useful. If you have any question, feel free to contact us. Have a great day!